This video will show you how to evaluate geometric tolerances, or GD&T, in BuildIT. Tolerances can be added at any moment during the inspection workflow, before the inspection to prepare the model, or after measurements are done. Each tolerance has certain particularities, but the workflow is generally always the same. Go to the Tolerance menu and select the tolerance you wish to add. Select the features on which to apply the tolerance and define the allowed error. Use the usual keys to move the tolerance markups in the view. Tolerances that cannot be evaluated upon creation are automatically evaluated as soon as all the required geometry is measured. BuildIT uses features to define tolerances in datum reference frames. For simple cases like we've seen so far, the features get created automatically for you. You can see the features listed in the Object Manager. You can also review the created features in the spreadsheet under the Feature tab. For features based on more than one geometry, or for datum features, it is preferable to create the features manually before defining the tolerances. Go to the Tolerance menu, select Define Features, and choose the type of feature you wish to define. Datum letters can be assigned to features upon creation. Once datum features are created, they can be used in datum reference frames for tolerances. When defining a tolerance, select the appropriate DRF in the datum reference frame list. Existing features can also be defined as datum features after they were created. Right-click the feature in the 3D view or in the Object Manager, select Edit, click the Datum Feature box, and click Apply. Datum reference frames with multiple letters need to be created manually. Go to the Tolerance menu and choose the Datum Reference Frame command. Select the primary, secondary, and tertiary datum features. Notice that you can add material condition modifiers if required. You can then find the DRFs in the Object Manager. Repeat the process until all tolerances have been defined on your model, and continue inspecting until all the required geometries have been measured. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit BuildItSoftware.com.